Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to PayPal account in 2025. The process is going to be very easy, so we are going to get to our account of PayPal as usual. And as you can see, after signed in, we are going to see this specific screen. This is going to be a personal PayPal account and not a business one. For the business, it is going to be a whole different process. So you're going to get things set up into a financial manager right there platform. So here, as you can see on the personal account, we're going to have something called PayPal balance. And as you can see, it is going to be empty right there. So from this balance, you can transfer the funds, you can pay for or bills for from this specific fund, and also you can make payments right there. How we can get the money for PayPal balance? We're going to add a bank account first. I'm going to head over here. So you can go ahead and click and create a bank account. And also you can visit your PayPal balance by clicking on here and you're going to see the balance. So basically you're going to link a card or link a bank. And from here, you're going to get your account set up. So as you can see, this is the account. If you want to add more cards, you're going to link a bank account, for example, like that. And then you're going to put the savings or the checkings that is for the bank. And for the card, you can go ahead and click on link a card. Then you're going to add your card from here, for example, and you're going basically to have the linked card. And for the wallet, you can go ahead and do the same thing in here, basically into just a few steps. And the amount that you need is going to be added into your wallet. And basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.